Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide you a tutorial on how to hide video on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to hide videos on your device can be essential for maintaining privacy and protecting sensitive or personal video content from unauthorized access. Whether it's confidential recordings, personal videos, or any other sensitive content. Hiding them ensures that they are not readily visible when someone else is browsing through your device video gallery. This feature can be especially useful if you share your device with family members, friends, or colleagues and want to keep certain videos private. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first you can select the video you want to hide, and then click the three dots at the top right corner. After that, select Move to Secure Folder. Well, so here click Continue, and then you have to wait until creating process is finished. And after finishing the process, next you can set the lock type for your secure folder. After confirming the lock type, and your video is already moved to the secure folder. So do it to say it. You can open app drawer of your device and look for a secure folder. Tap on it and select gallery. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide video on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.